we should be using 1.8 times the original number of steps. The original error before I changed the number of steps would be something like this. Let's call it the old error, would be a constant times the old step size to the fourth power. What I want to achieve is that the new error with the new step size is just the 10th part of this. And at the same time, because this is supposed to be a solver of order 4, this is the same constant as before times the new step size to the fourth power. So now we've got two equations that involve the old error and that constant c. This is the first one. This is the second one. We can solve for the new step size, which is just basic algebra, and we'll find that the new step size is the old step size divided by the fourth root of 10. And the fourth root of 10 is about 1.8. So we are reducing the step size by a factor of 1.8, which means that we are increasing the number of steps by that very factor, 1.8.